Gold Technical Analysis September 15, 2025. Momentum builds ahead of Fed rate decision. Gold consolidates near record highs, with a breakout above $3,500 signaling a move toward the $4,000 target. Weakness in the US dollar index and expectations of a Fed rate cut support further upside in both gold and silver prices. Gold prices are consolidating near record highs as investors await the Federal Reserve's rate decision this week. The price remains strong above $3,640, and the current weakness in the US dollar index indicates continued upside. Despite strong momentum last week, traders are cautious ahead of the Fed's signal on future rate cuts. The expected 25 basis point cut is priced in, but uncertainty around the Fed's forward guidance may limit near-term upside in gold. However, the broader outlook remains bullish. Low interest rates, rising inflation, and political pressure on the Fed continue to support gold. Speculative positions have cooled slightly, which reduces the risk of an overbought correction. If the Fed confirms a dovish stance, gold could break above last week's high and retest the $3,700 zone. A clear signal for more cuts in Q4 would accelerate momentum toward the $4,000 target.